Hello, welcome to a screencast on percentage composition. So this is OCR Chemistry Unit C5, but we're actually going to start with a percentage yield calculation from Unit C4 because it's a similar process and we can recap from that. So, question. Molly and George reacted ammonia with a sulfuric acid. They expected a yield of 56 grams of ammonium sulfate. However, they only got 32 grams. Calculate the percentage yield. Okay, so they got 32 grams out of 56. 32 out of 56. So that's 32 divided by 56. Get the calculator out. 32 out of 56 gives a value of 0.571. So 0.57, we can get a percentage point from that. Percent is out of 100, so that's out of 1. So if we multiply that by 100, we'll get a percentage value of 57%. So very simple, calculate percentage yield. You get X amount out of what you would expect. It's always the less than you would expect. And then you can do the calculation. You get this value here, which is a fraction, decimal fraction, and then you can convert that into percentage by multiplying by 100. Right, so clear this out for the moment. Here's a question on percentage composition then. Pip and Jack made 250 grams of lithium phosphate. So lithium phosphate, we've got the formula there. 250 grams they made for a battery manufacturer. Okay, that's just context, we're not worried about that. The manufacturer asked how much lithium was in that amount, so we're being asked to calculate the lithium content of 250 grams of lithium phosphate. So we need to use this formula and we need to use the periodic table to get mass numbers. So in the periodic table I find out the lithium has a mass of 7, and I've got 3 of them, so 3 times 7. Phosphorus has a mass of 32, and oxygen has a mass of 16, and I've got 4 of those. So if I do that calculation, I find that I've got a value of 117. So the molar mass, or the formula mass of 1 mole of lithium phosphate is 117 grams. So what is the contribution of lithium to that? Well, lithium contributes this amount, 21. So lithium contributes 21 out of 117. So it's that calculation again. It's 21 divided by 117. Calculator. 21 out of 117 is that as a fraction, 0.179, so we'll call that 0.18, and we could then, if we wanted to, work out a percentage from that. We can see that that would make 18%, so just move the decimal point 2 points forward, so that would be 18% of that compound is lithium. But we're not actually doing that. What we've been asked to do is to work out the content of 250 grams of lithium. So the way we do that is we say 0.18 times 250 grams, and that would give us 45 grams of lithium in 250 grams of lithium phosphate. Now there could be a subsequent question to that, which might be the manufacturer suggested that lithium chloride would be a better source of lithium, and you might then work out the percentage content of lithium in lithium chloride. So let's do that then. Calculate the lithium content of 250 grams of lithium chloride, LiCl. If you go through the same process that we've which I've just shown you, and you work that out and you get the answer of 41.18 grams of lithium is in 250 grams of lithium chloride, then you've cracked it. Give it a go and see what you get.